me $10,000, I would be the most grateful person. You know what I mean? Because I'm quite sure they're going to have other people they want to help and do things for or whatever.
Oh man, it's a hierarchy, man. You have other people help, but me up in the top of the line, really? Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Poppy Show. Today we have a very fun topic for you guys. This one is going to be situational based, meaning that we're going to see what would you do if either of us were in a specific situation. You know what I mean? You don't know Poppy do the thing, crazy vibes, whole heap of fun. As always, if you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, turn on the notification so you can see when Poppy drop a video. Like this video and share it with your friend them. So the first question is, what if you're in the grocery store and you see someone stealing food? Would you tell somebody?
Yes.
You would tell somebody?
Yes. Yes, I would. I wouldn't let them know that I'm telling somebody, but yes, I would probably just ask for the manager and let them know what's going on.
No, I'm not telling nobody. If me see them a thief clothes, jewelry, them things that when I needed, me have to tell somebody. But if me see somebody a thief food, me I go over to the person and me have to say, well, it's not right for
stealing is stealing though.
Yeah,
like,
but
the sin is sin. There's no one greater sin than the other.
No, but that's a food though. You can see that the person needs something to eat. So would I say, alright then, no matter with the thieving thing, I will pay for it. But me never just go tell somebody.
Well, you have a point there. I was getting around that, where I would probably ask them if they need me to pay for the grocery. But
if our clothes are jewelry and something, yeah, no, you can, you know what I mean, that's not important.
Yeah, but you also have some people who just steal just for no reason though.
Yeah,
like they're just thieves.
Well, if I see them whole heap of time,
and
I
if
can
understand. If it was my place of business or whatever, I think I would appreciate somebody telling me if somebody's robbing from me though.
If I'm my place of business, I'd appreciate somebody buying it for them. You understand? Or even if I'm my place of business and somebody come tell me say somebody a thief, I'd like to reach out to them and say what's the circumstance and even offer them something, you know what I mean? Food different from clothes and jewelry and them kind of thing, you know what I mean? That's a necessity. So if somebody a thief food, I feel like say, well, the thing kind of drastic. If I go there every time I say them a thief, no, I mean, man, understand? So yeah, them kind of look at them just love thieves some food. But if at the first time, I'm probably not going to tell them, but I probably approach them and say, bossy, let me do this for you. What's the situation? You know what I mean? Things like that. But I just not go.
Well, knowing me, I probably would have.
Just tell somebody.
No, I'm just saying, knowing me, I probably would have purchased the food items for them.
Okay.
What? Knowing me though, would I not have?
So knowing you, why you never said that in the first place? Knowing you, why wouldn't go to the
like I said, there's some people, they're just thieves.
But you never know that from the first time though. I mean, if you see them over and over, I get that.
Some people you can't just look upon them and just know see them a thief.
Wow. I guess, I don't know. I don't have the teeth in eye. What if you found a wallet with an ID in it and contact information and $2,000 in the wallet? Would you call the person and turn it in?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, would I call them?
No question.
$2,000 a monkey money. Like, you know what I mean?
No
the people need their money. $2,000
because you know what? You can hide from man, but you can't hide from God.
Yeah, so, real talk.
Being a believer, I definitely would have that call.
Definitely, yeah, man. We have to turn that over for sure. Simple thing that. That's a crazy situation. You see me I say? Alright. What if your sister or your brother won the lottery, right? Let's say you win 5 million. Would you expect some money from your brother and how much money? Or your sister, right? Your brother or your sister, would you expect some money and how much would you expect?
Well, brothers, sisters, make sure not listen. Because if one on to win the lotto and say 5 million, yes, I am expecting.
How much?
I'm not going to put an amount on it. Whatever they feel like giving me, I would gladly accept.
Say them get 10,000.
Hey, that was 10,000 more than what I had before.
Out of 5 million?
Yes. If they give me $10,000, I would be the most grateful person. You know what I mean? Because I'm quite sure they're going to have other people they want to help and do things for or whatever.
Oh man, it's a hierarchy, man. You have other people help, but me up in the top of the line, really?
No, I'm not gonna put an amount. I'm gonna let their conscience be their guide.
Alright, me I put an amount.
But me I expect
10%. 5 million? No more.
10%?
More 500,000.
So what if they have like 3-4 other siblings, mother,
No.
other things?
And my family me I talk about. Me don't know, but me have 1 brother and 2 sisters. If my brother win the lotto, I want 500,000 for 5 million. So if alright, if me win the lotto, if me win 5 million, me I give my sister 500,000.
But that's you though.
And I them too. Alright, if you don't give me 500,000 talk, if me win the lotto, me have to recalculate. No man, if me win 5 million, the 2 sisters them I get 500,000, and my brother I get 500,000.
I'm very curious to hear what you guys would have done in this scenario. Please leave comments down below.
So you said
10,000, it's better than nothing. I would say, sister, brother, thank you very much. And may your store basket never run dry.
Would I say that too? With 500,000.
Your chest too high.
You think that? No man. If a 5 million 500,000, 10%.
Wow.
That's my thing. 10%. What una say? Next question.
Okay.
What if someone run up to your door in the middle of the night and start banging and shouting for help? Would you let them in?
I'll call 911.
And them a scream and
Yes, 911.
So you're not gonna let them in?
Me not in middle of the night? I'm sorry.
Suppose
me not take them to... Are you crazy?
Alright, suppose on a middle, suppose at 11 o'clock.
Really? 911.
911, what's your emergency?
There's someone at my door banging. Please send help.
Yeah, 911 not the best thing to do still. But suppose you hear some gunshot bust off and the person stop scream. You know, say it.
911.
Yeah, 911 for true still. Yeah. Don't run come to my door and go to somebody else. And 911 never call. If that's not fast enough.
911, baby.
Next door neighbor.
I mean, it sounds terrible, but I have to protect my family first.
Yeah, that's true. Because of them could have been the killer too.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Especially in these days and time that we're living in. You just don't know who to trust.
I good at the plan that.
Yeah, and it doesn't even matter if it's a male or female, because nowadays female are kind of
shady. Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight. Alright, next question. What if you check your bank account one morning and there was a $10,000 deposit in your account? You have no idea where it came from. Would you contact the bank to see what's going on? Or you just gonna try to draw out the whole 10 grand and say, yo, God bless the thing.
I think I've had a similar situation to this. Not 10,000 though, but
That's before me know you.
I don't remember. No, I think it was.
So me not get that cut.
No, because I called the bank. I called the bank. I think like I had lodged maybe $500 or something like that in the account, and I think it was cash, and it showed maybe like
5,000.
No, maybe like 700 something. You don't remember, man? When I told you?
700? And you call the bank for that?
Yes, because you know what, go spend that extra $200, and then next thing you know, they just come and take it out.
No, man, the 2 bills are gonna be yours, man. 2 bills?
Call them and told them.
If I put 500, I'm gonna say 5,000. I say, yeah, that kind of steep. I call them to for true, because you don't know, you don't want nothing come back, you know what I mean? But if I put 500, I'm gonna say
but you know
700.
What, I always allow my conscience to be my guide.
Yeah, that's true, man. That's the best thing for do. Yeah, make a conscience be a guide, right? And if you say more money in the account than what you put in, I mean, it's cause for concern, and you must, report that. Big man thing. Report that and get that straightened out. And if them must say, yo, yeah, man, yours, it come from Tom, Dick, or area, whatever, you clear your name clear. Yeah. You understand me, I say? But you don't want to go, mess with people money and then a week down the line.
All right, so let me just throw this one in. I know it wasn't on our list, but what if you're walking in a parking lot and you stumbled across, $1,000 or something, or even increase that. Let's say a bag of money, just sitting in a parking lot, and you stumbled over, you open it, you realize it's some cash in there.
Yeah.
Would you take it to the police?
Take it to police.
Or
No,
take it home? What would you do?
No, that's my money. Oh my God, that money were in a tie to nobody.
In that case, I feel it's not the right thing to do as
Why?
a believer.
What's not the right thing?
Because
So whose money is it?
maybe it got lost, or
But so who you gonna turn it to? The government?
that's the only reason
No.
why I probably wouldn't turn it in. Because
No, if
you
know
you
some-
take it to the police station, then you never know what they're gonna do with it.
No. That's not
You
my
know?
money. That's my money then. No, that's straight my money. I
So
mean,
that's your blessing drop from sky.
yeah, if it's not tied to nobody, I never see nobody drop it. No man, that's my money, man. Straight. That's not thief it. That's a clear lost and found.
What would you guys do? But would you use that money though to help other people, or would you just keep the money for yourself? Because I think that's what I would do. If I do decide that I would keep the money,
What do you mean,
I would definitely bless other people.
Yeah, but we always do that. Just give away some money. Yeah,
So
you know what I mean?
I would be,
Definitely.
reaching out and yeah.
So you would have called the bank.
I'd be like the Oprah. You get a car, and you get a car.
Oh, that's
and
10,000?
You get a car, and you get a car.
Oh, that's $10,000?
No, what if it's more than that though? Like a bag of money.
Man, it'll be you get a car after me get a house. That's my thing there right now.
Oh God.
Alright, so the last question. What would you do if your boyfriend came to get you at the airport and his best friend was in the passenger side of the vehicle, right? Boyfriend or girlfriend. Best friend on the passenger side. You come out with your suitcase and da. And the boyfriend or the girlfriend just sit down on the passenger side. So
Now move.
and you have to go out of the back of the car. Or your little boyfriend come out of the car now, or your girlfriend come out of the car. Fly the trunk, put your suitcase in there, and just go back in the car and go sit down. And you say, wait, what going on?
I would expect them to move to the back, being as I probably haven't seen my man in a little, in a little while or whatever. But I would just let it slide. I would let it slide, but probably it would be like, really though, just to myself. But I wouldn't be confrontational or ask them to move to the back. But I would kind of look at them differently moving forward. Like, really? Like,
Would you talk to your boyfriend about it? I remember that's a boyfriend and not husband.
I probably, oh yes, definitely. I would say, once we get home, like, why would he not go to the back? Like, what's up with that?
True,
but
true.
I wouldn't want to, have that.
Yeah, confrontation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a real talk. I would probably look at it like that too. Yeah, I'm not wouldn't, but as we said, I always look upon them like different. And I say, that person I respect the
Yeah,
thing, you know
no
what I mean?
respect.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share out the video, tell all your friends, your mama, your papa, your grandfather, your sister, your brother, your uncle. Just tell them about Poppy Show, alright?
Yeah, and don't forget in the comment section, please tell us what would you do in these situations. And until next time guys, remember Poppy love you know.
For real.
Peace.
Peace.